After more than 40 years of experience in industrial anaerobic wastewater treatment plants, Biothane presents Biobed EBS EGSB technology. The Biobed technology cleans wastewater and produces biogas. The process is characterized by low operational costs. The Biobed EBS is a new standard to cope with the needs of industry. The wastewater is distributed at the bottom of the reactor by means of the unique influent distribution system. This ensures a proper mixing between the anaerobic biomass and the wastewater. An extraction system is installed to manage heavy biomass extraction from the bottom part of the reactor. The anaerobic granular biomass converts the pollution into biogas, which is collected below the gas-tight rooftop. The gas-free effluent overflows and passes the Biobed EBS modules. These are installed at ground level. The patented EBS module efficiently separates the granular biomass from the final effluent. The biomass is conveyed back to the reactor, and the effluent overflows back to the conditioning tank, where it is split from the recirculation flow. The external installation of the EBS module allows for maintenance during operation and can be cleaned in place at operator-safe conditions. This makes the design most suitable for treatment of wastewaters with a high risk of precipitation. The standard and external EBS module can be used to upgrade existing reactors. New or retrofit, our team is ready to support.